here we are in my little river spot. I'm lucky to have this. And while I'm walking down here, we've printed the nozzle lens, the new impellers, the wearing kind of reducer things. And so this is going to be another test now with these new parts, just to see what we get, any better kind of push. But instead of ripping out those jet drives there, well, I'm a bit out of puff. Put this on our amp meter. Last time I was down here, I had to push the back end down to get us going, but we've done all the printing, and I'm going to try this out. Kind of a private little spot I've got here, which is great. And then one day, hopefully soon, I'll be on it, flying around. So hopefully you can see everything. I've got the head cam on, I've got my Flip Sky remote. I'm going to turn that on. And you have to hold the two buttons, unlock that, right? And we're going to try these out, people. This is the moment, eh? Another test. I need to get some anti-spark, what are they, TX90s or something? XT90s. But anyway, so we've got a new props in, our new everything, bar the drive unit itself, which I'm kind of in the process of designing. One day I can cut them out, put the whole drive in as a whole new setup, and hopefully a smoother kind of operation. Here we go. Okay, so I've got to push down. It feels. One drive going. Let's push her down a bit more. Okay. Get her pushing like that, and I can hold it. I'm 25 amps at the minute. We've got water coming through into our ESC. Okay, that feels fairly pokey to me, guys. That's feeling pretty good. Okay, it's full power at 70 amps. And 25 volts, and that doesn't seem like that's going to push me, to be honest. Let's do a bit more. I'm getting a lot of stuttering and stuff going on. Yeah, so it's got a lot of stutter. I'm on 1 degree timing on the motors. As soon as these kind of start working, and they're not hot, it's very strange. It could be prop slip, but you know, I haven't got the grub screws going on the shafts, which could be another thing I need to do, just to make sure we're not slipping the props, because I've got two new couplers, you see, so I haven't yet gone to the drill press and drilled those out. But that's worse than it used to be. Low revs, no problem. 36 volts. Yeah, it's not shaft slip. That is these controllers, I think. Cheap China controllers. Most people have said that that could be more the issue. Slightly warm on the actual battery leads here. You know, these are getting cooling quite nicely. At that RPM, no problem. 26 amp. amp, and then I'll start getting in that that weirdness. So I think, guys, we'll call that success in terms of what I've done. The props seem okay. I'll take them off, have a look, but I'm still getting that quite hefty stuttering on off, and I believe it can only be those cheap ESCs there. Let me know what you reckon. Again, I didn't think the drive upgrades would help that. I just wanted to see if I got a little bit, you know, with less clearance around the prop, that it would be a better thing. And it's hard to tell because at a certain RPM it drops off, it comes and goes kind of thing. So there she is again. It's a bit of a long one, guys. I've tried to get on this, actually. I did actually try and ride it before these upgrades, and it was really underpowered. So whether the ESCs are holding me back, it was just not pushing me to get to the plane at all. It's either the batteries or the ESCs. I mean, it's 25 volts. I've seen a guy ride on 25, so I'm trying to get to a point where I can ride on 25 and eventually up the voltage, put these into series. I can at least have double voltage going on, but I need to get to the bottom of this problem first. It was a little bit disappointing in a way. So there you go, guys. I've given you a little shot of that now. The props seem to be okay. I'll take them apart, make sure nothing's come loose or slipped or anything. So I'm going to unplug, and I'll see you on the next video, guys. Take care. Hit those buttons for me. Help the channel out, and become a Waysider, people. You know you want to. See you later. Take care.